Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will discuss how to use graphics layer in Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. So I have already created a project. You can see this is a button composable and here is the graphics layer modifier. So we have these options: the alpha, translation X, translation Y, shadow elevation, scale X, scale Y, rotation X, rotation Y, rotation Z, camera distance, transform origin and render effect. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, let's discuss about the alpha. So here alpha will take the value from 0 to 1. So I have already created a project with the sliders. So let me show you. And let's move to the translation X. Translation Y, then the shadow elevation. The shadow is working a little bit weird, but it's working. Let's say about the scale. Then the scale Y, rotation X, rotation Y, rotation Z, then the camera distance, then the blur effect. This blur effect will work only in Android 12. Now let's say about origin X. First of all, let me change the rotation. So when I am changing the origin X and origin Y, the rotation also will be affected. There are two other options as well. Let me discuss this. The first one is shape. Here you can use any known shape, like I will use the circular one. There are other options as well for clipping. Let me clip true. Let's say. So you can see our button is clipped within the circle shape. So this way guys, we can use graphics layer to have nice effects like alpha, translation, rotation and lots more. So that's all about graphics layer in Jetpack Compose. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.